Hi everyone, myself Divya Tamrakar. Today we are going to learn chapter number 13, A River's Tale. As you see in the picture, here is a river which is the mountain hills, and from beginning it was so clear and pure. After sometimes they reach a village, and you see some women are washing clothes and bathing their animals, cattle. So from doing this the water get dirty, and when the water comes to the city area or the factories area, it's get more dirty as comparison to village. They are releasing all their chemicals in the water, in the river, so it gets poisonous. So here a river are telling us a small story about her. So here look carefully at the picture of the river, read the words given below, use this word to make a story, give a title to your story. Here they are giving some words like boat, flowing water, blue, fish, water plants, river, fall smell, big ship, oil, river banks, factories, washing clothes, animals, other works, change, city. So these are some words and you have to make this story. You have to make a small story. आपको खुद एक छोटी सी स्टोरी बनानी है with the using those words. ओके, सो दिस इज योर वर्क. आपको ये वर्क खुद से करना है. आपको एक छोटी सी स्टोरी खुद से बनानी है जिसमें ये सारे वर्ड्स आने चाहिए. और अगर आपको हेल्प चाहिए तो आप ये जो डायग्राम है, ये जो पिक्चर्स है, वो भी आप देख सकते हैं, जिससे आपको थोड़ी सी हेल्प मिल जाएगी अपनी ये स्टोरी बनाने के लिए. सो यू हैव टू डू इट बाय योर सेल्फ. हियर फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई हैव टू टेल यू समथिंग अबाउट वाटर पॉल्यूशन. ओके, जिस तरीके से ये रिवर्स का जो वाटर है, ये जो गंदा हो रहा है, इसे कहा जाता है पॉल्यूशन. हम जो कचरा या डर्टी थिंग्स या केमिकल्स और दूसरे पार्टिकल्स जो हम वाटर में डाल देते हैं, उसे कहा जाता है पॉल्यूशन या पॉल्यूटेंट्स. पॉल्यूटेंट्स. और ये प्रोसेस कहलाता है पॉल्यूशन. सो ये सारा पॉल्यूटेंट हमने किस में छोड़ा? वाटर में. सो दैट वी नोन एज वाटर पॉल्यूशन. सो व्हेन इट्स हैपन, व्हेन वेस्ट, chemicals or other particle cause a body of water like river, ocean, lakes to become harmful to the fish and animals that need to water to survive. And water pollution can disrupt and negatively impact nature water cycle. So water में जब वो बिगनिंग से निकला, जैसे यहाँ पे हमने देखा ना माउंटेन से, ये बिगनिंग्स में कहाँ से निकले? ये माउंटेन से. सो ये एकदम थे, एकदम प्योर थे. जब ये धीरे धीरे सिटी एरिया में, विलेज एरिया में आने शुरू हुए तो ये गंदे होने शुरू हो गए. मतलब ये डर्ट होना शुरू हुआ. हमने उसमें पॉल्यूटेंट्स मिक्स किए डिफरेंट टाइप्स के. हमने उसमें एनिमल्स को बाथ करवा दिया, बाथिंग एनिमल्स हो गया, वॉशिंग यूटेंसिल्स हो गया, क्लॉथ्स हो गया. सो इस वजह से वो धीरे धीरे वाटर पॉल्यूट हो गया. सो दैट इज़ द known as water pollution, and it causes different type of disease, okay, because of the water pollution, like diarrhea, cholera, dysentery, typhoid, and many more things. And more than 5 lakhs people every year 5 lakhs people are killed by the water pollution. It is a serious issue of our world that we have to take a big step. Don't misuse of water and don't throw any things, dirty things to make water pollute. So here in the next page, some question are given which is belong with the above pictures. So you have to write down this with me. You have to fill this with me, okay? So first question is, what is the color of river and where it is begin? रिवर का जो कलर था वो एग्जैक्टली क्या था? सो आप यहाँ से स्टार्ट करेंगे. वाटर हैज़ नो कलर. वाटर हैज़ नो कलर. You also write down in your books, when we observe, water has no color. One second. Okay, so write down the answer. Water has no color. When we observe water in a river from a distance, we find it to be bluish in color. Okay? Water का कोई color नहीं होता. What is the color of river when it begins? So water has no color. When we observe water in a river from a distance, we find it to be bluish in color. The next question is, at some places there are many fish in the river, at other there are only a few, and at some places there are dead fish. What could be the reason of this? So I will send this answer in a PDF form. You have to write down the answer of next question. What can be seen in the river before it reaches the village? जब रिवर विलेज पहुंचा था तो क्या दिखाई दिया था उसमें? आपने देखा क्या दिखाई दिया था वहां उसमें? लार्ज नंबर ऑफ फिशेस. जब रिवर विलेज तक पहुंचा था तो हमें दिखाई दिए थे लार्ज नंबर ऑफ फिशेस can be seen in the river before it reach village. You have to fill it. Answer is, large number of fishes can be seen in the river. Write down in your book. Which of the place shown in the picture would you like to live in? यहाँ इस पिक्चर पे जो जगह दिखाई दे रही है वो कहाँ की है? Which of the places shown in the picture would you like to live in and why? So आप कहाँ रहना चाहेंगे? So you have to write down. I would like to live in the place where the river started. The water is clean and pure, and the environment is calm as it has many trees. Write down the answer in your book. I would like to live in the place where the river began or started. The water is clean and pure, and the environment is calm as it has many trees. Next question is, would you like to change any of things that you see in the picture? Why and how? So the answer is to remove all the water available in the water of the river and banks. Here the student, I have to ask you a question. What is the meaning of banks? Here you saw banks. So what is the meaning of banks? Okay, so you have to answer this in the comment section, that what is the meaning of banks. So write down this answer. I would like to remove all the water available in the water. It is the dirt. Sorry. is the dirt. Okay, I would like to remove all the waste है. I'm sorry, here the answer is. So यहाँ करेक्ट कर लेंगे. I would like to remove all the waste available in the water of the river and banks. Due to this, the water is getting polluted. Okay. So here is the next question. If you wanted to drink some water, from which part of the river would you like to drink and why? So you have to write down. I would like to drink some water at the place from which the river start. Okay.